Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $250 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $250, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Fly Faith Mini 2 4K Professional Drone. 249 grams, foldable drone. Small size, easy to carry. GPS positioning. Under GPS mode, when the aircraft receives the signal from satellites, it will position where it is. Optical flow positioning. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the control. 5G Wi-Fi FPV. 1080p videos and 4K photos, with real-time transmission. 4K HD camera gimbal. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. Number 2. SJRC F22S 4K Pro Drone. GPS one-click return to the takeoff point. Low power return, no signal return. GPS intelligent following, image following. Identify the object and automatically follow the flight. Within a 1 to 3 meters distance from the aircraft, make photo gestures, camera gestures in front of the camera. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Find the center of the surround, and then move the desired radius through the rocker. Click the GPS signal icon 3 consecutive times to open the map interface, and the map shows the last distance of the aircraft. Picture and video sharing. Single or multiple selections to share photos. Video can only be transferred once. Number 3. Cole Professional K11 Tubro Drone. GPS one-click return to takeoff point. Low battery return, no signal return. GPS intelligent tracking. Identify the shooting object and perform automatic following flight. Within a distance of 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make a photo gesture, camera gesture in front of the camera. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and players focus on shooting. Find the center point of the surround and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times in a row to open the map interface, which displays the last distance, longitude and latitude position of the aircraft. You can choose to share photos single or multiple times, and videos can only be shared individually at a time. 4K adjustable camera, 3-axis mechanical stabilization pan tilt plus electronic stabilization anti-shake plus laser obstacle avoidance. 11.55 volts plug-in intelligent lithium battery. Number 4. BETAFPV 720p HD camera drone. The Cetus Pro FPV kit is finally here. It is the best ideal choice for beginners to advance currently. Comes with a Cetus Pro brushless quadcopter, light radio 2-say transmitter, and VRO2 FPV goggles. It's more powerful and maneuverable for all starters as well as FPV pros to practice indoor and outdoor. The auxiliary flight function is greatly reducing the threshold of operating. This is the lightest key to open the door to advanced FPV. Cetus Pro quadcopter comes with a brushless power system. It's more powerful and maneuverable in flight. Pilots can achieve more FPV freestyle actions to train, with the self-protection of emergency landing when out of control or in low battery, to ensure a more safe flight. Made of PA12 material, the frame has an excellent impact resistance in drop and impact. Meanwhile, number 5. VISUO SG906 Max 2 Beast 3 ERC Drone. The obstacle avoidance device detects whether there are obstacles ahead through the 120 degrees fan-shaped scanning in front of the laser, and the remote control will sound an alarm if the obstacle is detected within 20 meters, and the drone cannot move forward. PS returns to the takeoff point with one key, low power return, no signal. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, open the app follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. 2 Image follow. 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, face the camera to make a photo gesture. Camera gesture. The aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route, and the player will focus on shooting. Find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times to